Welcome back to Jamie's 4.0 Garage, where today we're going to include another video in our series of videos on hardware, nuts and bolts and fasteners. And today we're going to talk about how do you tell the grade or strength of a bolt.
So in order to tell the strength of a bolt, of an American bolt, basically what you do is you take a look at the head of the bolt. And if there's no lines on it, it's a grade 2 bolt. You just add 2 to it. So a grade 2 bolt has 60,000 PSI strength. Looking at the next bolt, I count 1, 2, 3 lines. I add 2 to it. It's a grade 5 bolt. 3 plus 2 is 5, has 120,000 strength, 120,000 PSI. And the last one we have, if you count the lines, there's 6. We're adding 2. This is a grade 8 bolt. This is usually like the strongest bolt you can buy. It has a tensile strength of 150,000 PSI and it's considered a grade 8 bolt. It's very strong compared to the other two. So picking out what kind of bolt you need for what project depends on how strong does the bolt have to be.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to identify the strength or grade of a bolt. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more educational do-it-yourself and automotive videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.